So I heard once in a video, I heard Denzel Washington drop this bar, like this knowledge bomb that it was so resonant with me, and there was so much. It was just like it was wise, really resonated with me. I want to share it with you. Denzel Washington said that any true desire in the heart for something good is proof sent to you by God beforehand that it's yours already. So true desire for anything good in the heart, it's God's proof sent to you beforehand that it's yours already. And man, that just hit home, right? It's like, cause that's what it is. Like if you, I invite you like to think about something that's like really good to you, that you love, that you really want to create in your life, that you can envision for yourself. I invite you to like to connect with that for a moment. Connect with that. And connect with it from a place of awareness that it's like, that's your proof right there. You don't need any other proof. Like that feeling, that vibration, that's truth. That's alignment. That's resonance. That's what you call that. That's resonance, that good feeling of like satisfaction and gratitude and love and alignment and excitement. That's truth. That's proof that is already yours. And it's proof sent to you beforehand. So yeah, there's no physical proof right now. There's nothing around that can physically prove that it's yours, whatever it is. Maybe there's a little bit of proof, but it's not all the way here. But the physical is always catching up to the non-physical. From thoughts to words, from words to deeds, some deeds give birth to things. So the things that you want, they start as thoughts and energy. And so if you feel that energy and it inspires those thoughts, it's already a thing. Now we just gotta slow the fast moving vibration, the fast moving thought that can zip all around. We gotta slow it down and give it enough attention, give it enough nurturing and nourishment so that it slows down into boom, one solid moment. It slows down so that it merges into the physical, slowed down reality. True desire for anything good in your heart is God's proof sent to you beforehand that it's yours already. It's already yours. Now, just accept it and receive it. And let that acceptance and reception guide you. Much love.